Got a Cat 328D excavator. It's not very heavy, pretty wide though. It's got some pretty gnarly mud tracks on it. Got a big clam bucket, big ass teeth, shanks. I'm gonna have to use outriggers on this setup, so it was just too muddy to drive out to unload this thing on the road, so we had to, it's called road it out, and hopefully they don't bitch too much. Sorry I couldn't take the video while we were loading. It's just too hard, but I like to use the reference points on my boards, you know, to see how even I am between the two, and I'm pretty fucking even. There it is, simple. All right, start tying it down.